Composting is a remarkable process that transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich, earthy goodness for your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener looking to enhance your soil or a beginner exploring sustainable practices, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the basics of composting. From setting up a composting system to reaping the rewards of healthier plants and reduced waste. Understanding composting. Composting is nature's recycling system. It involves the decomposition of organic materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, leaves, coffee grounds, and more into nutrient-rich compost that nourishes your garden soil. Getting started. Choosing a composting method, decide between backyard composting, composting directly in your yard, or indoor composting using a compost bin or worm composting system. Selecting a compost bin. If you opt for backyard composting, choose a compost bin that suits your space and needs. There are various options, from simple homemade bins to commercially available models. What to compost? Greens, nitrogen-rich materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, and fresh plant trimmings. Browns, carbon-rich materials like leaves, straw, paper, cardboard, and woody plant trimmings. Composting do's and don'ts. Do. Maintain a balanced ratio of greens to browns, roughly 1:3. Turn the compost regularly to encourage decomposition and keep the pile moist but not soggy. Don't. Avoid adding meat, dairy, oily foods, and pet waste to your compost, as they can attract pests or slow down the composting process. Harvesting your compost. Signs of readiness: compost is ready when it's dark, crumbly, and has a pleasant, earthy smell. You should no longer be able to identify individual materials. Harvesting. Sift out any large, uncomposted materials and use the finished compost to enrich your garden soil. Using compost in your garden. Soil amendment. Mix compost into your garden soil to improve its structure, water holding capacity, and nutrient content. Mulching. Use compost as a protective layer over your soil to retain moisture. Suppress weeds and regulate temperature. Planting mix. Create a potting mix by blending compost with other ingredients for container gardening. Benefits of composting. Enriches soil with nutrients and improves soil structure. Reduces waste in landfills and decreases greenhouse gas emissions. Increases water retention in soil, reducing the need for irrigation. Promotes healthy plant growth and enhances overall garden health. Conclusion. Composting is a simple yet transformative practice that empowers you to make a positive impact on your garden and the environment. By harnessing the power of decomposition, you'll create a cycle of sustainability that not only enriches your plants, but also connects you to the intricate rhythms of nature. Whether you're starting small or diving into advanced composting techniques, your journey into composting is a step towards a greener, more vibrant world.